ladies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Mrs. Emily Paints, and today I'm gonna be doing a neutral makeup look because you guys asked for it on my Instagram. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to continue to see makeup tutorials, please subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Okay ladies, so this is what my eyeshadow is looking like so far, and I'm using the Italia Deluxe Palette. This is called the Matte Artist Fantasy Color Chart by Italia Deluxe. So if you're looking for an affordable palette and with the best quality, I strongly recommend you buy Italia Deluxe products because I have used their products since I was about 15. I am 25 now and I can vouch for them. Their product is really good. This palette I used back when I was starting to do makeup. It was one of the first palettes that I ever got my hands on and I love it. Okay, so this is the first shade I'm going to be using. As you guys can see, I put a small smiley face so you guys can tell which color I'm going to be applying next. And right now I'm just using this light brown as a transition shade, and I'm going to be blending this all over my crease in small circular motions or side to side motions. And if you need to pack some more on there, go ahead. But I recommend to only use a small amount of eyeshadow so that you don't leave any harsh lines and it's easier for you to smoothen it out. Next, I'm going in with this darker brown and I'm going to be applying this on my crease, but do not go above the shade that we just applied. Only on your crease. It's okay if you go a little bit lower, but just don't go up because we don't want to cover up the other color. Next, I'm going in with this darker shade and we're going to be applying it on our crease. And remember what I said earlier, do not go above the previous shade that you just applied. It's okay to go lower, just don't go higher. So we're just going to be blending this onto our crease in circular motions or side to side. And then after this, we're going to go ahead and do our cut crease. Now, I know a lot of people like to cut their crease with concealers or eye primer. Lately, I've really been liking the feeling of using a foundation as a base for my cut crease because it seems to be working better for me and it leaves a much more smooth canvas. So it's all up to you on what you want to use, but I'm using this foundation to cut my crease. This foundation's by Beauty Creations and it's called the Flawless Stay Foundation Medium to Full Coverage. And I have to say that the thick consistency makes it so perfect to do this, and it also gives you like a smooth finish at the end. So if you guys want something other than concealer or a primer to do this, you can also do it with foundation and it makes it so much easier. Now I'm going in with this light brown, and this is more of a cool toned brown, and I'm just lightly going to be patting this down onto where I applied the foundation as concealer. And also make sure you get every little spot so that you have no creasing or anything, and that's also one of the perks about this. You do not get any creasing when you use foundation. Okay, now don't go anywhere because I'm going to show you something that other makeup artists don't show you in their videos. I'm going back in with the first brown shade that I used, and I'm using that to blend it out on that outer area of my lid so that the concealer or the foundation that I used blends in good with the brown colors that I used on my lid. So we want this to look as smoky as possible, so we need to be going back in with the shades that we previously used to smoothen that outer area out, if that makes any sense. If you guys have any questions, just comment down below and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Now I'm going in with the second shade of brown that I used earlier, and as you guys can see, I am blending this in side to side motions on that same spot. I'm just trying to make the light brown disappear where I cut my crease. And since we're applying all three shades on top of each other, this is just gonna help it look extra blended and it's just gonna give it like this nice light to dark shade on that outer corner, and it's just gonna make your eyeshadow look so much better. Lastly, just go in with that first brush that you use with no product just to remove any extra powder that's on there. Now I'm going to be applying my lashes, and if you guys are interested, these are from my website. You can click on the link down in the description. These are in the style George. They are my personal favorite from my cosmetic line. So I'm going to be applying this carefully, and I'm using the duo glue to apply these. Now I'm going in with my favorite eyeliner, and what a coincidence. This is from Italia Deluxe, and I have used this for years, you guys. Years, and I just continue to buy it. It's very affordable. It's super buttery and creamy, which I love, especially for the waterline. So I'm going to be applying this, and you guys, if you're interested in looking at any of these products by Italia Deluxe, the link is down below in the description, so you guys can check out everything that they have. For my lips, I'm using something that just got sent over to me. This is the 24K Magic Lip Oil by Italia Deluxe. And I can say that I fell in love with this. This looks so nice even when you're not wearing any makeup. It's a lip oil. It's similar to lip gloss, but it's a lot glossier for some reason. And it has like the lightest tint of pink, and it's just perfect. It looks so nice with or without makeup, and it's just perfect for the summer. I will tell you, it is not thick and sticky. It's just like this light consistency that it has that is just, it's perfect. Okay guys, we have reached the end of this tutorial. If you guys like these type of videos, remember to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment down below so that I know you're a real one and you watched my video all the way through. Comment pink if you watched this all the way. This is the finishing look. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.